I start the morning with 42 ounces of water from my Wild Beer cup. Use code COOTS when you get yours. But I take this thing everywhere with me. And the cool thing is, which if you know, you know, if you have a big water bottle, most of the times it doesn't fit in cup holders, but this one does. And 42 ounces of water, perfect. If you struggle to get your water in, highly, highly, highly recommend it. I also, in every single water that I have some of this great value flavor enhancer. I get a bunch of different flavors, and yeah, so I'm going to drink this while I do Bible study this morning, and then we are going to have breakfast. So, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, I have finished my water and my Bible study, and now it is time for breakfast. So, breakfast currently on training days consists of consists of 60 grams of oats, 150 grams of raspberries, 45 grams of American Dream nut butter, and 45 grams of protein powder. I also put anywhere between 3 to 5 grams of creatine in there. Let's make breakfast. Guys, I just wanted to take a second to show you my current favorite American Dream nut butter. It is the Frosty Pebbles almond butter. This and then that Axe & Sledge vanilla protein powder. Elite combination. But highly recommend going to American Dream Nut Butter's website and using code COOTS. They have super good ingredients. They are super high in protein, and I highly, highly, highly recommend if you have a sweet tooth like I do. Alright guys, so I got a sour green apple Ghost energy drink for this morning, and yeah, I'm going to head to the gym and we are training back today. So good. Hey guys, so I am back home from the gym and I wanted to give a little bit of an overview of what I am about to make because it is time to eat. I will be making 115 grams of 93.7 ground beef, and then I have 100 grams of asparagus spears, 75 grams of a pepper and onion blend, and then I have 57 grams of avocado, and I usually have 10 grams of goat cheese, but I'm out of goat cheese, so I will not be having that today, unfortunately. And then I have a serving of any GQ sauce that I want, and then I sprinkle on it a little bit of salt. So that is what I am going to be making, and I'm going to go inside and make that. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 8:30 on Saturday morning, and I'm going to give my prep life update for the week. So for prep, we initially were just going to do 1 week where we really were like pushing. I like to call it grind week, where we really push cardio and try to get off that last bit. And after last week, we decided to do 1 more week of that. So this week we did 1 more week. So I will be honest, I was pretty tired this week. Brain fog, fatigue, recovery was not great, but I slept a lot better this week than I did last week. So overall, I did feel better than last week, which was good. But I just got a plan for next week from my coach this morning, and we are starting to taper off cardio. So last week I did 350 active calories 5 days a week, and next week we are doing 250 active calories 4 days a week, which is a huge difference, especially when I'm getting 13,000 steps on top of that. So that means a lot less steps, which will be really, really good for recovery, really good for decreasing inflammation. Also, yesterday was my last like hard leg day of prep. And so next week we are not pushing anything to failure. We are really just doing pumps, and that's crazy. And the reason that we do that is to decrease inflammation in my legs so that you can really see like the separation between my muscles, so you can really see like that glute ham tie-in, which is something that they really look for in the bikini division. But yeah, so I am really excited about next week, and I'm really excited to finish off this week too. I'm training shoulders today, which I'm excited about, and yeah, so that is the prep update for life. I've been doing a lot of schoolwork, trying to get myself in a really good spot going into my peak week so that I'm not overwhelmed with a bunch of school to do, but I've been very good at being proactive with my schoolwork, and so I am ahead of schedule, which is really, really good. But yeah, I'm every single day getting closer. I just get more and more excited for the show, and I'm really, really excited to step on stage again. Regardless of the outcome, it'll be fun to just be out there and be able to compete. So yeah, those are all the updates. I hope you guys enjoyed the full day of eating video and my back day from Thursday, and I will see you guys next week with another set of updates. We are today 2 weeks out.